ngaran hang ne mata hang ne St Anthony's LP School kawai na school ka bala rem tam hang ne hanong ba salong jongi ka ai kada ka ba pulong ya banyang hang ne ka cakam ta si kalong ba shan ya ka ne school pansapan pra no ya ka ne ka building ka ansapan pra no ban sdang ban thau thmai da ka building ka ba thmai kata ka G+4 building la ne ka building ka ba saw mala ya manta ka ne ka building ka ba rem hang ne ka ba yeng ka lai ar mala but kadao ka ba pulong ya ki ban thmu ban pra no ya ka ne ka building ka long ba kalarem te kar kum ki khubon i ba sispa arpulais nam ka school kala yeng ha kane jaka but kar kum ka jinglom jikte pan kalong ba da kum nom no kane ka structure kana lane kane ka yeng ka badon hang ne kladon da kum ba ndio pho ka pho stam ye te ho bon na preng jong ki bala one school teng ha kane ka school ki la pan pa kata ka jing snowsi ba ya kata ka jing snowsi namar ban yo i ba ka school jong ki ansapan pran ocean te ngadon ha kane ka jaka mata sing ni akan do bat ya ki nong hikai om tang ki nong hikai handai ki khana school bat ngan pani ru ya phi ya kane ka building bat ya ka jinglong jong kane ka building ya ka ba menta ka e ka ba panlong ya ki ban rai ban pan pran ya kane ka building ba ka ju por ngan ya kan do ba ya phadar ban bata yang ikandiat ke ai ka plan bat ke ai ka jingyo i jingai ka jongki na banta ka building ka ban satai thamai
Yeah, it's somewhat very sad to see a building that we've been here for all these years. It's more for the children, the past pupils who have left the school, because they have really been attached. This is not just a school for them, but also a home for them, a family. They have grown up here with the teachers, because that way we are very attached to the children are very attached to us, so that way it's like a family. So many of them, not only the children, even for teachers who have left the school also, it's a sad feeling. It's a very, very sad feeling. But as this saying goes, it's better to be safe than sorry, because the school building has become very ancient, very old. The walls, the planks, all the parts of the school have become worn out. So I don't think so it's safe to keep it for more years, because anything can happen, and then who wants that? Who wants anything sad to happen, for the children? Being with the children, doing many things with them as we go for one class to another. But then, anyway, all those things will be replaced in the new building. So, okay, it's just the building that is going to be missed. But then again, the children will remain the same, the teachers will remain the same. So, it's okay. We have to let go.
I'm Miss Indrani Das Bhuya, and I've been teaching here for the last 25 years. And this place has been our second home, actually. And we are all feeling very pained by the thought that this structure will not be standing anymore next year, because there are a lot of memories. We have seen so many children, pass through these, this building and through our hands. And really, every corner, every the stairs, the corridors, they all have so much of memories for us. So it is really painful, but again, we have to think about the future, because the safety concerns are there. And as you can see, it's a very, very old building. It's 123 years old. And although we feel pained by the fact that, that this building is not going to be standing anymore, it is a heritage site, and it defines the skies city line, I think, of Don Bosco Square. But what to do? I think we have to move with the times, and we have to think about the safety and future of the school and the children. So yeah, we are really pained about it. But then what to do? I think this is what change is all about. I'm sure the new building, the infrastructure will be better, and we will be able to accommodate, more. What do you say? Not students. We have a limited number of students every class, but I'm sure the infrastructure will be better, more with the times. So I'm sure that will be also a way to look forward, so that we can do better. The children can do better.
I've been teaching here for many years, nearly 3 decades. There's a very emotional attachment to this, but I think the structure is not as strong as it is. So I think it's high time they demolish it and give way to a new building, because as it is, it's not safe anymore to have a school or for the children to be here.
Pila tray hang ni nak anu senam. Suppose senam. Kilang kumno ka building kat di Nohprah.
Building te kam das kan shi no namar ba ngin yu shene shaliang ro in the note itna mentale la sam sinem ro kin ngin ju le chu shene shaliang
San ni. Apa ni lah. Piong ya kan ni ka bentang ni kan. Mensua ka mod hang ni saya yang kena.
mentala la bun sinem ro namar kam scam shoot ni ni jaka
Ke kelas you ke bala jat tam kat jum yang pi.
bro art section ma 4.5
Kila kham jat.
Kim scam shoot gila shuha pa ha di biar
Kadai ra ka biar kan ro biar mo.
kam dei di ka biar di sit
Kelas 4 kadon tambah ke kambun sa kelas 5.
Pra.
Oh, Nohprah.
Apa kham duna mo.
Ito po, alhamdulillah, kambun sini sa jero.
That the new building is gonna come up.
Yes, I'm very happy
What's wrong with the old building?
because it broke.
It's only for the every day.
What?
This only for the brakes only for every day.
The bricks fall every day. So are you happy that the new school will be built here? New building?
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
I'm very happy.
You're happy that
Yes.
new
Yes.
building
Yes.
is...
Yes. I'm happy.
No. Okay, wait. Quiet. Quiet down, quiet.
Kam dei ka decision ke ba tang menta sport ke ba ngila shim dei ka decision ke ba lomban thauno ka building ba thamai ha ka ne ka jaka jong ka ne ka building ke ba menta klalong la kumba sansnem rusnem dei dei ha lor ki jia krang ba fer ki ba ngile ya pe bu ni ki detail bro khoi mo ha ka nugur kom ba indon kamanle tengi menta klapa ke pora ke ba ngila shim ya ka ni ka rai ba ngin stang no ya ka building ba thamai te ko ba phi lai i ru ka building kam dei shu ka ba klain tu kata nama ka building kala apala de ka nyu pusan snem kala apala ya nyu pusan snem
As reported a long time TV ba ka 123 years old. Kadai siya kata
ya ka jing stang jo ka school kandai chis par apply snem kadai ka jing stang jo ka school tama the existing building ka ba dan menta par ka kam dei chis par apply snem kadai palat ya ka nyu pusan ni hapo snem kata te kadai ka building ru kadai ka building da ka ding te let's say la badai ka last building 2-story building da ka ding te holor kata pada phi perkhat nyu pusan snem kalong rezeki do kata lo nak minta jingi ban chu continue sa khmat de hoi khamar tu tin kan ni building kandang ai ka support hi ka jigershan ya ka school la kumno sa arts dem sa lice dem ni parim kwa ban abah do ban dan saw ni khna ni hadu ban ha num lok chu kumno te ni la shim no karai ba ngin sedang no man taw snem ka ya ka nei ka December hoi do December kawai ka ba ni la shim karai kan ni ka building kala rim sha kala oh kadena kada jong ka jingrim jong ka kadiga school ba ngilaship kani karai ba in sedang no daga batmai te halor kata bro khoi kabangi dang I dang jorbha ki kimi ki pa ki bakwa bar pa school harne ha po sian thnis kawai na kada jong kateng te kawai ro nama ba ka bahag school ki sko tanat ban pha ne ki kimi ki pa te ni prakhat long ban yo lang kimi bro khoi let's say ladangi pynpra no kani ini wa building ba khamhe khambun kamra terata khamlong spacious khamyar hoi in khamyo accommodate khambun ki khna dehlor kita ki issue ki ba ni sodon kam mar kani kalong tang armala mo kamala ba chapo kamala ba shjo te nilaban accommodate tang kumba shipo classroom maximum ta shipo classroom ni khalai do khasan classroom ndre ladangi apa building ba mai nilaban accommodate lesi kuma arpo classroom te kan khaman toy na gaban tai khmi pa gi bakwa ban paskul ni namar babun hi ki khmi pa gi bawan pan admission ni ngim ban se ban phai ki nong ngim don jakashu te kataru kade ko bai ka banta ka ba ni sngo lai khmi pa gi bakwa ban paskul ni te long lada ngiwa ka jaka ba khambun ni la bana ko bodi ro khambun ya ki ekhna school kade halor kan ni ki babun ki wei ba ki daw ki ba pelong ngi ba ngin sedang no ya ka building ba mai ha ga jaka jong kan ni te ka wei kade na ka jing bam dan jaka e jong ni te ngi man se ban company na magin khabiwa jaka khambun te ka baru kade na ka da jong ka building ka ba la kham slam ko mangalong ai pi la pala nyuk san slam inum la ban ris im kwa ban satu ko kubur nong bau kena sekolah ayah pas sekolah bala tua ka sekolah mo bak pala ka sekolah oh gim tre kan dia kata kijing snow kin dan dai mo ya kata kijing snow kumbang ngi snow tanah dia la ka yingi mei ngim kwa ban pynpra bono ge gi mei te ka juru ki possible ki babuan ki bala pas nagani ka school ki dan berbo ka attachment ki dan berbo ka jing sotana da gani ka school badong ba ngin benur adu kata-kata ba kani ka dojong ka school gendum dot sure kata de ka sentiments jong malau be po be brio e kuma ngi ko ngi don ka sentiments sho ba ngin sim kara ko ngi la don pa ka sentiments kinong ini mi issue ya gani kata kala don pa po jengi tamang ngi haban pendam kata kaji siau pada ingin yang cakap nak benda kaji bahajang jong ka school nam ta kaji bahajang na school pada benda kiwi pak kita kiba new e kuba lakren pa let's say gini ada building bat mai let's say ka structure kan ya pair kendiat na ke ga bolong menta let's say inum la dalai adu kata-kata bedong ban penbiang pik kum kan ka structure ga menta ndai ka bangilahi ngini le ka balaban penpau bai ya ke jinglong to kan ka school kumba kalong menshua ini le ka balaban penpau ndai kata ting inum laban garanti bakal long bai kumnya thik ya kata te ka dai ka basisha ka bagi num la lemar ni hap sina kata kurukam ka ba ngiru ni sodan kam mana akomodir khambun ki khna school ni sodan kam ban khampan bha shushu te ka structure kan numlok shu kumju ka ba kalong menta te ka dia phe ya kata te ka dia phe ma ka do kurukam ka ne phe le se ngina bhadu na dem ka building ni kalau ka do kumba kalong menta na ka benta ki berit lesing dan kami ki classroom ki balong kumju hi na ka benta ki khna tambalong kajing penmai pan hilate bi kajing penmai ki wan be ki be par kajing penmai ka bahasa kumju kata kamu ki classroom ki long kumju ki classroom ni don kam classroom nam ta ki naret te brokhai ki logistic ki baran kam nam ta ka classroom ni don kam hi ban bu te long lor kita kadang yang ka dukom pemai nginum da penpere du kata-kata bedong hadu bangin da yo ka batmai ngam te bakan dukom kallo batmai dukom dong ndai kat ki jinon kam ju khna skol ngin penbiang kan jinon kam khna skol ngin penbiang let's say ka we na ki kam batmai ki bagi mentang ki khna skol ki don bai ka ju ka ki long ki we pagi skol ni don ka blackboard ni don long chalk and duster te kum kata blackboard dai na bang ilayo ka beli matmai tingila ban improve halor ka jingnon kam jong ka skol let's say ngila ban bu ki interactive smart board let's say ngila ban yarabu khna skol ki we pakilyang bang di kam so tu chu le sound system kandan ya menta gindan sound system kini gijire ginan ngimpala banong menta ma ba kin dang sim por ba gini ai pi